Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a very fun video, at least for me, because I'm going to be recreating my first ever makeup tutorial on YouTube, which was recorded, or at least uploaded on August 17th, 2009, and this was in my Makeup by Seat 75 YouTube channel. Because my first YouTube channel was Seat 75, which was mostly Killers related videos and concert videos. So then I made a Makeup by Seat 75, aka me. My first tutorial ever was called Simplistic Purple Tutorial. I don't know why. Simplistic. Let's follow this simplistic purple tutorial. Let's do this. I have a lot of the original products still in my collection, so I pulled them out. I already rewatched it and I was just like, oh, girl. Let's do this.
Hi everyone, we're gonna do a tutorial on this eye. It's just as a purple crease and the lid is pretty nude, or yeah. It's pretty simple because I'm not going anywhere tonight.
I'm not going anywhere again.
Striped shirt, so I just want to keep
striped
things
shirt.
simple. So let's start first.
This is when I had a PC, Windows Movie Maker, but I was unable to convert the files from like my Sony point and shoot in order to edit them, so I would just record without editing. And I could only upload up to 10 or 11 minutes on YouTube because I wasn't a YouTube partner back then.
I have a mirror right here, so if I'm looking down, that's why.
I have a mirror right here.
We're gonna prime our eyes with Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I'm just gonna put
Prime my eyes with NARS. Let's do 3 dots. 3 dots.
And blend it in with your finger.
Holy crap, I blended the fuck out of these.
Stick and hold on. So they don't look so dull and and you don't want to get creasing.
No creasing.
Yeah, you don't. So I'll do another video on what a base is because I have a couple.
And I never did that video. I'm so sorry. I didn't go that hard this time. I learned my lesson. Little 19-year-old me wasn't worrying about wrinkles.
So yeah,
actually I was
to music.
18.
Music inspires me. So
music inspires me.
I'm gonna take Blanc Type.
Blanc Type, I do have it.
Palette, which is this one right here on the top.
This one right here at the top.
Matte cream color, beige color, if you guys can call it. And we're gonna put this all over our lids. Just pat it. Don't sweep it. Just pat.
Just pat it.
So we're gonna put this all over our lid.
My memory card got full. This was YouTube problems that I didn't have back then. So let's continue. Blanc Type.
I'm not wearing fake eyelashes. I didn't take the mascara off really well.
Yeah. Story of my life.
So, like this.
Like this? Okay.
And we're gonna take,
I still giggled.
Sorry, I'm saying a lot. No, not more. My Kat Von D palette, Beethoven palette, and we're gonna get
this palette
purple right here.
This was my very first like high-end palette. This is the Kat Von D, not even Kat Von D. It's Kat Von D 4 Sephora collection. So this is the Beethoven palette. And I'm gonna take this eyeshadow right over here because that's what I used in this video.
Is Sinner, I think. Yeah, Sinner.
Yeah, Sinner.
Right here, this one.
And
we're gonna grab a brush like this, like a pencil brush, or just a small blending brush.
Let's see.
And yeah, we're just gonna tap. Do you see?
Do you see?
Okay. I'm gonna put this in the crease. If you don't know what your crease is, it's basically this area where like you're with a occipital bone. Yeah, so it's like
takes 1 semester of anatomy, and now I'm just like occipital bone.
That's your crease.
Okay.
So we're just gonna begin kind of like outlining your crease.
Oh my god. This is like a bad idea. I'm gonna begin outlining my crease. Oh,
You can go for a more natural look or dramatic look. Just depends on how much you apply.
Yep.
So we're gonna
Oh my god, this
take
eyeshadow
this all the way
sucks.
down here.
I take it all the way across. All the way
Almost
across.
to like the tear duct.
I haven't done
Don't
this
worry,
in
we'll
a
clean
while.
It up. It doesn't look like this at the end.
Uh-huh.
So we're just gonna keep on packing the color.
Spoiler alert, it does look like this in the end because I sucked at blending out back then. But now I'm better. I use a clean brush.
And try to blend up a little.
Try to blend up a little bit. Oh, this is such a patchy eyeshadow. Holy
You're
crap.
wondering what I'm listening to? It's Phoenix. What song?
Phoenix! Even back then! Even back then. What song?
It's Countdown for the Sixth Sun. I'll put a link on the sidebar.
I'll put the link on the sidebar. That's how you know it's old YouTube.
If you're wondering. So
Oh my
just
god.
keep on blending up.
Keep on blending. Keep on blending. This is gonna take a while because this
Let's
eyeshadow
see how I'm doing on
sucks.
time. Okay, 4 minutes. That's good.
Oh god.
Because I can't go over 11 minutes. Because I'm not partner.
See, I
I'm
told
just
you.
new.
I'm just new.
We're gonna grab a blending brush like this. A fluffy brush.
Oh wait,
This
this is a
by
fluffy
brand
brush.
called Brandon.
To be honest, I only bought that brush because of the name Brandon and Brandon Flowers. That's the only reason why I even purchased that brush. Go on.
So, do you see it? Alright. And we're gonna grab Max, this color. I think it's called Lotusland. Let me take it out. I depotted
Hold
it.
on, I'll take it out. I still have that color. I used to
Lotusland.
love MAC eyeshadows back in the day.
Yes, it is. Okay, so we're gonna take this eyeshadow and use it to blend up. So we're just gonna blend.
Oh my god. This eyeshadow. Hold on, I still need to blend because this is the patchiest eyeshadow ever.
Right now, I'm listening to She and Him, Changes Hard.
Changes
I'll
hard.
put a link on the sidebar as well if you're interested.
This is me putting shimmers in the crease back then. I just didn't know
Okay, so
what
we're
I was
gonna
doing.
get the previous brush again and put a little bit more of thinner on our crease just to make it even. So I just looked really funny. I saw it on the mirror. Okay, so we're just gonna apply it almost to the outer corner.
The outer corner. Hold on.
Okay.
Outer corner. Hold on.
Nice.
Hold on, little Laurita. Hold on. You're moving too fast for me. I had one eye already done. So we did the outer corner. The outer corner. Intensify the outer corner. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing?
Good. And I'm gonna take this brush, which is by the beauty supply. It's by a brand called Lilique. See it? It's me silent. Okay, so we're gonna take Phloof, which is a MAC color. A MAC, not NAT. It's this. It's a shimmery, kind of pinkish color.
Still have it. It's this one.
Sorry.
Sorry.
So we're gonna put this and we're gonna use it as our highlight. So right here, under our eyebrows,
Oh my
we're
god.
just gonna blend to help out, blend the brown, the purple. So
This
right
is
here,
so
and we're gonna
bad.
use this color on your inner corner too. Right here and.
It went all over the place, all over.
Okay.
Right here.
So now that we're done with our eyeshadow.
And then here.
Sorry I have this. I actually burned my skin using my brother's stick cream. I didn't have that bad of as it, but I used it and it's really strong and my skin's really sensitive, so it actually it burned my skin.
Cool story, bro.
So do not use harsh products if you have sensitive skin. I already learned my lesson. We're gonna use the Sephora eyeliner in let's see, 821B.
I don't have that one.
There it is.
This is the closest I'll get. This is a purple.
Liner waterline. I'm gonna use this and another one. It's just a purple. Oh wait.
Oh wait.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Pencil brush. A little bit of Sinner, which is the Kat Von D palette, and put it underneath your lash line. Really quick. Okay. I already have my mascara, so I'm not gonna do any of the curling and adding mascara. But I used Givenchy Phenomenized.
Oh, fancy!
Today.
Givenchy Phenomenized. I still remember buying that mascara. It was in Las Vegas at the Sephora inside the Venetian. And my parents had given me like 50 bucks that they won in a slot machine. And I was just like, I need that mascara with the freaking ball at the end. And I went and bought it. I felt like a baller back then. $30 mascara. I felt like I made it with that one mascara. And you know what? It was actually a really good mascara. I did really like that mascara. Even looking back at this video, my lashes looked pretty good, if I can say so. Let's add mascara, because I don't have any. I did not leave mascara on from, I don't know when. I'm gonna use, let's use the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. Almost dropping everything. Mascara always pulls a look together. I love mascara so much.
Do my waterline. Line my waterline, excuse me. And I'm also gonna use a little bit of this one, which is from Victoria's Secret. It's a sparkling eyeliner in Lilac Flash. It's a little bit of glitter, but it's fine. Okay, and that's basically it for the eyes. I'm just gonna add a little bit more blush, and I used MAC's.
Hold on.
And that's basically it for the eyes. I'm just gonna add a little bit more blush, and I used MAC's Daft Pink.
Still have it.
Still
have it. It's this one.
I'm so glad.
I bought it because of the name, because it's Daft Pink, and I love Daft Punk, and that's literally the only reason why I bought this blush.
I was actually showing you the true color and not something washed out. So I'm just gonna apply this on my cheeks, on the apples of my cheeks. Smile, cause it's Friday.
It is Friday. It's actually Friday.
And yeah, smile.
Smile.
And oh, lip gloss. Go with the purple that we have right now.
This is the closest thing to I have.
Edge lip gloss on the Color Craft collection. Okay.
I'm trying not to laugh at myself.
And that's it.
That's
it. for this
it.
look. If you have any questions, requests, comments, whatever, leave a comment below or message me, whatever you want. And I hope you guys like this. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.
It's actually not that bad, but holy crap, this like super metallic brow bone highlight. This is definitely very late 2000s. That is something I don't do anymore. And I applied so much blush. so much blush. It's even frostier on my actual tutorial. This is like the updated take, but this is it. This is the simplistic purple tutorial by Makeup by Seed75. If you want to see me recreate more of my old tutorials, and there's not that many because I started this channel when I was still in college, and it was so hard to make videos, especially like beauty videos. But I do have a smoky blue gray tutorial that I could recreate, and a love like a sunset tutorial because of this album back here. So if you want to see me recreate those looks, I can definitely do so. And yeah, subscribe if you're brand new. I'll see you guys next time. Oh my god, I'm still so damn awkward. Almost 10 years later, and I'm still the most awkward little YouTuber in the world. So thanks for watching. I am getting so shiny. Alright. Bye!